Okay, so friend, on after the osmotic pressure, now on the basis of osmotic pressure, the solutions are represented as, or it will be the classified as isotonic solution. So what is the meaning of isotonic solution? Now isotonic solution it is defined as, it is defined as a equimolar, it is defined as a solution of equimolar concentration at the same temperature, same temperature having same osmotic pressure. It is very important term, same osmotic pressure. नाम से पता चलता है, जैसे आइसो जब भी लगाया जाता है, लिसन केयरफुली, इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आल्सो वी हैव टू डिस्कस आइसो means some part is same and some part will be different. Okay, जैसे isobar means atomic mass same, atomic number different. Isotope atomic number same, atomic mass different. वैसे यहाँ पे isotonic, the solution having equimolar concentration at the same temperature, having same osmotic pressures. Okay, just for example, when RBCs, you know the RBCs, red blood corpuscles, are placed in 0.91% NaCl, solution is isotonic with each other. मतलब 0.91% सोल्यूशन का जो ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर रहेगा और आरबीसीज का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर्स both are same, therefore they are isotonic with each other. Any difficulty will be there? So these are isotonic. Okay, but now these isotonic solution are classified into two categories. Which are the two categories? Can anyone tell me? One is hypotonic solution and another one is hypertonic solutions. Understood? So hypotonic and hypertonic. Hypo यानी less and hyper यानी more. Understood? So first of all we say that hypotonic solution. Listen carefully. A solution having low osmotic pressure than other solutions, than other hypotonics, than other solution. Listen carefully. It's called as hypotonic solution. So example A, if RBCs are placed in distilled water, then the size of RBC cell or size of cells are swell or burst. So it may be burst or it may be swell. तो उसमें होता क्या है कि जो डिस्टिल्ड वाटर का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर है और आरबीसीज, तो आरबीसीज का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर डिस्टिल्ड वाटर से क्या रहेगा, कम रहेगा. सो देयरफॉर इफ आरबीसीज आर प्लेस्ड इन द डिस्टिल्ड वाटर, ओके, so then the size of the cell are swell or may be burst. तो क्या होगा उस टाइम में कि distilled water are moves into a cell and the size should be increased. Size should be increased. Understood it is? So this is a hypotonic. Second one is the hypertonic. Only low की जगह पे high आ जाएगा. Hypertonic solution. Now it is defined as a solution having osmotic pressure is higher than other solution is called as hypertonic solution. Just example, if RBCs are placed in 5% NaCl solution. Listen, if RBCs are placed in 5% NaCl solution, then the size of cell are reduced or shrink. Understood? तो अगर वही RBCs आप अगर साल्टी सोल्यूशन में रखते हैं, 5% NaCl मतलब it having more amount of salt, actually it will be isotonic with 0.91%. ओके, अभी हमने फर्स्ट केस में क्या लिया है, डिस्टिल्ड वाटर. तो डिस्टिल्ड वाटर में नो साल्ट इज देयर, therefore it will be hypotonic and hence the size of the cell should be increased. But अगर वही cell, suppose if we are to place then the 5% NaCl solution, so definitely the 5% NaCl having osmotic pressure is less than the RBCs. समझ में आ रहा है पॉइंट? तो यहाँ पे आरबीसीज का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर वाटर से कम है, यहाँ पे आरबीसीज का ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर NaCl से ज्यादा है, एंड हेंस it will clearly say that the size of this cell will be decreased. Now second one example we say that it's very simple. You know the egg. So initially we take 2 eggs and the outer hard coating of the eggs are removed with the help of dilute HCl. You know this outer hard coating of eggs made up from calcium carbonate and it will be the easily dissolved in dilute HCl. So after removing the hard coating of the cell, this egg is just like a boiling of egg. Matlab that is called a coagulation of egg. Understood? After that, now we take these 2 eggs, okay, and it kept in outer coating निकालने के बाद, it one is kept in distilled water, another one kept in salty water. Salt water, matlab 20% NaCl solution, and it will place for some time, means hardly 6 hours. After 6 hours, remove the eggs and then you compare the size of this egg. आपको इनिशियली हमने दोनों बीकर में सेम साइज के एग प्लेस किए थे, एक में वाटर था और एक में साल्ट सॉल्यूशन था, बट आफ्टर 6 hours you have to compare the size of eggs those are placed in water and salt solution. What you have to find there? It is observed that those eggs are placed in distilled water, its size should be increased. Its size should be increased because this egg membrane, it absorbs the water. अंडरस्टूड। तो उसमें हाइपोटोनिक कंसेप्ट हुआ था, बट वही एक अगर आप साल्ट सॉल्यूशन में जो डाला था, इट साइज शुड बी डिक्रीज, मतलब हैविंग अ हाइपरटोनिक सॉल्यूशन। तो ये एक्सपेरिमेंट आप घर में भी करके देख सकते हैं। यू हैव टू टेक द 2 eggs, रिमूव द आउटर हार्ड कोटिंग ऑफ दिस eggs। अभी आप डायरेक्ट ऐसे नहीं घर में, तो भी आप सिंपल बॉईल करके उसका आउटर कोटिंग निकाल लीजिए, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्लेस इन द एक साल्ट सॉल्यूशन और एक वाटर में, एंड यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द साइज। आप 12 घंटे रखिए, नो इश्यू एट ऑल, एंड देन यू कंपेयर द साइज ऑफ एग, यू आर गेटिंग इजीली रिजल्ट। सो आप समझ जाएंगे कि आइसोटोनिक क्या होता है, हाइपरटोनिक क्या होता है, एंड हाइपोटोनिक क्या होता है। इज इट क्लियर? आइसोटोनिक का मतलब होता है सेम ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर, और हाइपो का मतलब लो अदर देन नेक्स्ट सॉल्यूशंस, अंडरस्टूड, एंड हाइपर का मतलब हाई देन अदर सॉल्यूशन। इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज अ isotonic, hypotonic and a hypertonic on the basis of osmotic pressure. If it is same osmotic pressure of these two solution, it name as isotonic. If it is low osmotic pressure, that is hypo. If it is more osmotic pressure, hyper. Is it clear? So you have to note down this. Understood? Thank you.